200,000 on a still ain't crash. Mama said, son, why you speeding your chick on a tiny little engine with a body kit? I said, mama, listen, you don't understand. I'm a Honda boy in this, here's my brain. Got a fart, can exhaust that dope. Sound like a hornet stuck inside a paper bag.